Hey, it's Holly. Welcome to Living It Country. In today's video, we have another beautiful fall home tour to share of Anna Creek Cottage. I'm so thrilled to have her back for 2023, and I'm gonna link her previous tours down below for you guys to check out and watch. And without further ado, let's welcome her here today and tour her beautiful home.
Hey y'all, it's Elenie with Anna Creek Cottage on Instagram. Thank you so much for joining me today, and thank you to Holly for inviting us to share our fall home for 2023. I'm a Southern wife and full-time working mom raising two little boys. Decorating is definitely my hobby, and I love putting together spaces that are beautiful for us to enjoy. The goal for my home is to create a cozy and comfortable place that my boys look forward to coming home to. When we were building our home in 2019, a front porch with rocking chairs was on our list of must-haves. This year, we added pumpkins, mums, and corn stalks, all the fall things. Not long after we moved in, my husband built the boys a double swing so that everybody would have a spot. I kept the foyer simple this year and just added some printable artwork from Etsy and a few other fall touches to make it welcoming. For our table setting this year, I used dried florals and gourds for the centerpiece and added these pretty dishes that I found at Kirkland's. The ladder-back dining chairs belong to my husband's grandparents. If you've watched any of my home tours from the past, you'll notice that we finally found a coffee table. This year's mantle is my favorite that I've ever done. All of these colors together are just beautiful to me. These pumpkins from Kirkland's are the most realistic ones that I've ever found. I've had this fireplace screen for probably 13 years or more. I got it before my husband and I were even married. I still think it's beautiful. If you remember Southern Living at Home, that's where it's from. In my apothecary cabinet, I display my milk glass collection that belonged to my husband's grandmother. I've also been gifted several pieces by my sweet friend who also shares my love for milk glass. These two dough bowls belong to my husband's mother's grandmother. I think they're so pretty here on the coffee table. This pillow pretty much set the scheme for my fall colors this year. I love the mustard and the rust together, and I've tried to pull it in as much as I could. I mixed up some candy corn and peanuts for my boys. If you've never tried that, it tastes just like a payday candy bar. I decided to add a wreath to my range hood for the first time this year, and I like the way the gold in the wheat looks against the gray. On the screen porch, I just added a stack of pumpkins and some fall pillows to the bed swing that my husband built me. Right off of our kitchen is our Butler's Pantry. My husband built me these floating shelves a couple years ago, and we do keep our everyday dishes in here. I also added this teapot that belonged to my grandmother and some other fall dishes that I picked up at Ross. Okay, y'all, that's our home for fall 2023. Thank you so much for watching. Also, like I mentioned before, we share our home at Anna Creek Cottage on Instagram and would love to have you follow along. We are wishing everyone a happy, healthy, and blessed fall season. Bye.
I hope you all enjoyed today's beautiful fall home tour. Let me know your favorite part in the comments down below, and make sure to give her a follow in the description box down below where you can find her account. And I will see you guys later on Living It Country. Bye.